Hi friends, in this video today we are going to learn how to find biggest and smallest numbers. Just like the smallest number among 2 power 25, 3 power 20, 5 power 15, 9 power 10. And the biggest number among 5 power 24, 2 power 60, 3 power 45 and 4 power 36. Suppose if smaller numbers with smaller powers are given, we can easily find. For example, if 2 power 5, 3 square and 4 cube. These are given. We can easily find which one is smaller and which one is bigger. For example, 2 power 5 is 32, 3 square is 9 and 4 cube is 64. Among these three, 9 is the smallest. Therefore, 3 square is the smallest number. And among these three, 64 is the biggest. Therefore, 4 cube is the biggest one. So we can easily find with the smaller numbers with the smaller powers. But some bigger powers are given like this, how to find it. Now, by using a simple trick, we can easily find the biggest and smallest numbers. Now let's see all these 5 questions one by one. Now let's go to the first one. Which is the smallest of 2 power 25, 3 power 20, 5 power 15 and 9 power 10? So the given numbers are 2 power 25, 3 power 20, 5 power 15 and 9 power 10. Now friends, to simply find the HCF of all these powers. What are the powers? 25, 20, 15, 10. So you find the HCF. You take 5. 5 times 25 5 times. 5 times 20 4 times. 5 times 15 3 times. And 5 times 10 2 times. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, there is no common factor. So leave it now. Now 5 is the HCF. 5 is the HCF of 25, 20, 15 and 10. Now you write the numbers 2 power. Now you take this HCF 5 here. Now what should be here to make it 2 power 25? If you take 5, then 5 into 5, 25. Then it will become 2 power 25. Okay, understand? You take this base 2 here, power. You write this HCF here. So to make it 2 power 25, there should be 5. Because 5 into 5, 25. Then 2 power 25. In the same way, you write this 3 power. What is the HCF? 5. Now what should be here to make it 3 power 20? If you write 4 here, 4 5s are 20, then it will become 3 power 20. Now you take 5 power, you write the HCF 5 here. Now we need 5 power 15. So what should be here to make it 15? If we write 3, 3 5s are 15. So it will become 5 power 15. And finally 9 power HCF is 5. Now we want this 9 power 10. What should be here to make it 9 power 10? Here there should be 2. Then 2 5s are 10. Then it will become 9 power 10. Then 2 power 5 is 32 whole power 5. Now 3 power 4 is 81 whole power 5. Now 5 cube is 125 power 5. Now 9 square is 81 power 5. So in all these numbers, powers are equal. Now you see the bases 32, 81, 125, 81. Now the number with the least base will be the least number. So among 32, 81, 125 and 81, 32 is the least number. Therefore 32 power 5, that means 2 power 5 is the least number. 2 power 25 is the least number. Suppose if in this question, what is the biggest number? So among these, what is the biggest? 125. So 125 power 5 comes from 5 power 15. So 5 power 15 is the biggest number. So now let's see another one. Which is the biggest of 5 power 24, 2 power 60, 3 power 48 and 4 power 36? So the given numbers are 5 power 24, 2 power 60, 3 power 48 and 4 power 36. Now you just find the HCF of powers. So 24, 60, 48 and 36. So if you take 2 here, 2 times 24 12 times, in this 30 times, 24 times, and 2 times 36 12 times. Again you take 2 6 times, 15 times, 12, 6, and if you take 3 times 6 2 times, and this is 5 times, 4 times, 3 times 6 2 times, and in 2, 4, 5, 4, 2 there is no common factor. So the HCF is the multiplication of these digits, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 is the HCF. Here friends, don't get confused, because if you multiply all these digits then it will become LCM. But if you take only these digits, it will be HCF. We need to find only HCF, so take up to here only. Don't take these numbers. Now 15 is the HCF. Therefore, you write this 5 power. What is the HCF now? 12. You take this 12 here. Now we need 5 power 24. What should be here to make it 5 power 24? So if you take this 2 here, 2 12s are 24, it will become 5 over 24. Now you take 2 power, HCF is 12. Here we need 60, 2 power 60. What should be here to make it 2 power 60? If you write 5 12s are 5 into 12, 60. Now 3 power, HCF is 12. So what should be here to make it 3 power 48? If you take 4 into 12, 48. And finally 4 power, HCF again 12. So we need 36. What should be here to make it 4 power 36? 3, because 3 into 12 is 36. Now 5 square is 25 power 12. 2 power 5 is 32 power 12. 3 power 4 is 81 power 12. And 4 cube is 64 power 12. So here all the powers are equal. So just see the bases. Here we need to find the biggest number. So the number with biggest base will be the biggest number. What is the biggest one? 25, 32, 81, 64. Among these four, 81 is the biggest one. Therefore, 3 power 48 is the biggest number. So 3 power 48 is answer. Now let's see another one. Which is the smallest of 5 power 30, 3 power 50, 6 power 20 and 4 power 40? So the given numbers are 5 power 30, 3 power 50, 6 power 20 and 4 power 40. So just like in the previous two problems, just simply find the HCF of the powers. So 30, 50, 20 and 40. If you take 2 will take 30 15 times. In this one 25, 10 and 20. Now you can take 5 table. 5 takes 15 3 times, 5 takes 25 5 times, 5 takes 10 2 times, and 5 takes 20 4 times. And in 3, 5, 2, 4 there is no common factor. So the HCF will be 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 10. This is the HCF. So now 5 power, what is the HCF? 10. But here we need 5 power 30. What should be here to make it 5 power 30? If there is 3, then 3 into 10, 30. It will become 5 power 30. Now, you take 3 power HCF again, 10. We need 50 here, so you take 5 because 5 tens are 50. Now, 6 power HCF 10. We need 20 here, therefore you take 2. 2 tens are 20. And finally, 4 power HCF is 10. We need 40 here. What should be here to make it 40? 4. So 4 into 10 is 40. Now the next step is 5 cube is 125 whole power 10, and 3 power 5 is 243 whole power 10, and 6 square is 36 whole power 10, and 4 power 4 is 256 whole power 10. So here we need to find the smallest number. All the powers are equal, then the number with the smallest base will be smallest power. In 125, 243, 36 and 256, 36 is the smallest base. Therefore 36 power 10 is the smallest one. This is nothing but 6 power 20. Therefore among the given number, 6 power 20 is the smallest number. Now let's see another one. Which is the biggest of 4 power 8, 3 power 10, 6 power 4 and 5 power 6? So the given numbers are 4 power 8, 3 power 10, 6 power 4 and 5 power 6. Now find the HCF of the powers. 8, 10, 4 and 6. So take 2. 2 takes 8 4 times, 5 times, 2 times, this is 3 times. So there is no common factor for 4, 5, 2, 3. So don't take it. So 2 will be the HCF. 2 is the HCF. Now 4 power HCF is 2. So we need 4 power 8. What should be here to make it 4 power 8? There should be 4. 4 into 2, 8. Then it will become 4 power 8. In the same way, 3 power HCF is 2. We need 3 power 10. So if there is 5, 2 5s are 10, it will become 3 power 10. Now 6 power 2, and we need 6 power 4. So you take another 2 here, 2 2s are 4. Then it will become 6 power 4. And finally 5 power 2. We need 5 power 6. So what should be here? 3. 3 2s are 6. Now 4 power 4 is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 256 square, and 3 power 5 is 343 square, and 6 square is 36 square, and 5 cube is 125 square. We need to find the biggest one. All the powers are equal, so the number with biggest base will be the biggest number. So 256, 343, 36, 125. Among all these, 343 is the biggest one. Therefore 3 power 10 is the biggest number. So the answer is 3 power 10. Now let's see another one. Which is the smallest of 5 power 10, 2 power 25, 3 power 20 and 4 power 15? The given numbers are 5 power 10, 2 power 25, 3 power 20 and 4 power 15. Just like in the previous example, just find the HCF of the powers. So what are the powers? 10, 25, 20 and 15. So you take 5 here, 5 takes 10 2 times, 5 25 5 times, 5 20 4 times, and 5 15 3 times. In 2 5 4 3 there is no common factor, therefore HCF will be 5. 5 is the HCF. So 5 power, what is the HCF 5. We need 5 power 10. What should be here to make it 5 power 10? 2. Because 2 into 5 is 10, 2 power 5 power 10. Now 2 power HCF is 5. So we need 2 power 25. What should be here to make it 2 power 25? 5. 5 into 5 is 25, 2 power 25. And 3 power HCF 5 again. And we need 3 power 20. What should be here to make it 3 power 20? 4. 4 into 5 is 20. Then it will become 3 power 20. And finally 4 power HCF is 5. We need 4 power 15. So there should be 3 here. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 square 25 power 5 and 2 power 5 is 32 power 5 and 3 power 4 is 81 power 5 and 4 cube is 64 whole power 5. Here all the powers are equal and we need to find the smallest number. So the number with the smallest base will be the smallest number. Here what are the bases? 25, 32, 81 and 64. Among these four, 25 is the smallest number. Therefore 25 power 5 is the smallest one. That means 5 power 10 is the smallest number. 5 power 10 is the smallest number. Okay friends, that's all for this video. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and share with your friends so that they can also learn. And if you have any doubts regarding this topic, please ask me in comment section. I will reply you. And to get many more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, Knox Way to Aptitude. Thank you.